And next one, seismic analysis of open soft story building from Civil Department. The topic will presented by M. Sai Kumar.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am N. Sai Kumar, studying 4th BTech, and I am here to give presentation on seismic analysis of open soft story building. Abstract. Seismic analysis. Seismic analysis means it's a subset of analysis which is going to analyze a soft building when it concluded to earthquake loads. Now we are seeing functional buildings like soft story buildings. That downstairs they are providing car parking, functional items. These are providing. That buildings are called soft story buildings. In this project, we are going to analyze the resisting behavior of the building and how much resistance when any earthquake occurs. The building how much load is going to bear. We are going to analyze in this project. So next slide. Introduction. Nowadays, we are seeing many buildings that contain soft story buildings. They are providing at downstairs. They only provide beams and columns. They are not providing any structural bodies like walls and windows. They are not providing. For those, these are using for car parkings and storing purposes. They are using these buildings. Those buildings are they are affecting by the earthquakes very easily. They are getting failure when earthquake occurs. In this, we analyze and conclude that which frames are useful in this buildings. In this, we are using ETAP software. It's a software used by civil engineer to design 2D and 3D building structures. Object of the study is to study the behavior of the ground floor, how much resistance that building has to be resist the force. In this, we are using a 3D 9 stores building, 9 plus store, G+9 building. In this, we are using software, ETAP software, and the seismic code 1893-2002. By the seismic code, we analyze the buildings. These are the things which we are going to do in the software. First, we arrange columns. First, we define columns. After that, we define loads. Which load is acting on the building? Especially, building acts only two loads: dead load and live load. We are taking here the earthquake load. When it earthquake occurs, the load of seismic is on the building. It's collapse on the buildings. After that, we assign columns and assign supports to the building. We assign two supports: hinge support and fixed support. These are the pictures how the design has been came. We're using 4 frames, that is bare frame, infill frame, brace frame, and a shear wall frame. These are the 4 frames we are using in this project. Analysis. We are going to analyze the building by using that 5 items: storage shear, base shear, story displacement, story drift, and overturning moment. These are using by analysis. First one, it is story lateral displacement. Okay. These are the analysis we got. I conclude that nowadays we are seeing that soft story buildings, they are easily collapsing when earthquake occurs. We have to provide good frames to that one. In this project, we got that bare frame is best for soft story buildings. We are using this bare frame, and when the construction is going on at the areas, we have to follow the IS codes, and the structural engineer must be there in this. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.